In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up email subscription types in HubSpot step by step. If you're sending marketing emails, newsletters, product updates, or sales communications, setting up the right subscription types is absolutely essential for compliance, organization, and giving your contacts control over what they receive. I'll walk you through how to create a new subscription type, how to manage existing ones, and what each setting means. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, we need to access your email settings inside HubSpot. Go ahead and log into your HubSpot account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This will open your main account settings area. In the left-hand sidebar, scroll down until you see Marketing. Click on Marketing, then select Email from the drop-down menu. Inside the email settings, you'll see multiple tabs across the top. Click on the tab labeled Subscription Types. This is where all of your email subscription categories are created and managed. Now let's create a new subscription type. Inside the Subscription Type section, click the button that says Create Subscription Type. In some accounts, this may appear as Add Subscription Type, but it works the same way. A panel will open where you'll need to fill in the details. First, enter the name of the subscription type. This is important because this name is visible to your contacts when they manage their email preferences, so make it clear and specific. For example, you might use names like monthly newsletter, product updates, or marketing promotions. Next, add a description. This should clearly explain what kind of emails the contact will receive if they subscribe to this type. The more transparent you are here, the better your engagement and compliance will be. After that, you'll see the legal basis section. If your portal has GDPR features enabled, you can select the appropriate legal basis for processing, such as consent or legitimate interest. If you're not operating under GDPR requirements, this field may be optional. Then you'll choose the email category. Typically, this will be marketing email, which is the most common option for newsletters and campaigns. In some cases, you may choose sales email depending on how your account is structured. Once everything is filled out correctly, click Save. Your new subscription type is now active and ready to use in your email campaigns and forms. Now let's talk about managing or editing existing subscription types. Back in the subscription types list, you'll see all the categories you've already created. Next to each one, there's an Actions drop-down menu. Click on Actions to edit a subscription type. From here, you can rename it, update the description, adjust the legal basis settings if GDPR is enabled, or change its status between active and inactive. Setting a subscription type to inactive is helpful if you no longer use it but want to keep historical data intact. Properly organizing your subscription types helps keep your email marketing clean, compliant, and easy to manage. It also ensures your contacts can clearly choose what they want to hear from you about, which improves trust and long-term engagement. And that's it. You now know how to set up and manage email subscription types in HubSpot step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical HubSpot guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.